In this video, we are going to walk through types of accounts in financial accounting. The first vocabulary term you need to know is the word account. An account is a record of all changes in a particular asset, liability, or stockholders' equity during a period. An account is a basic summary device holding all the transactions related to one particular thing. Now let's go through some examples of assets. First, we have cash. Cash is paper, including bank account balances, paper currency, coins, and certificates of deposits, and checks. Accounts receivable is another asset. Accounts receivable is a promise for future collection of cash from the sale of goods or providing services to customers. This is the customer's promise to pay for the goods or services they purchased. Notes receivable is another asset. Notes receivable is the promise for future collection of cash and includes a signed promissory note. A notes receivable will carry interest charges. Inventory is another asset. Inventory are products held for sale to customers. Inventory can also be known as merchandise and merchandise inventory. Prepaid expenses are another category of assets. A prepaid expense is an asset that provides a future benefit for the business that it has already paid for. Prepaid rent, prepaid insurance, and supplies are all prepaid expenses. Land is another asset. Buildings are another asset. Buildings include costs of office buildings, factories, plants, and the like. Furniture, fixtures, and equipment is another asset category. This category will include things such as computers, office furniture, store shelving, and machinery. Land, buildings, equipment, and the others are all examples of a category called property, plant, and equipment, or PP&E. Now let's go through some examples of liabilities. Accounts payable is the first liability listed. Accounts payable is a promise to pay a debt, typically arising from purchasing something from a vendor or supplier. Notes payable is another liability. Notes payable is a signed promissory note promising to pay a future amount. Interest is paid on a notes payable. Accrued liabilities are another liability. Accrued liabilities are owed for an expense incurred but not yet paid. For example, we might owe interest that we have not paid yet. Similarly, we may owe salaries to employees who have earned the pay but have not yet been paid. Income taxes can also be a liability if we have not yet paid the taxes on income we have earned. Unearned revenue is another liability. Unearned revenue is money that we have collected for goods or services that we have not yet provided or delivered. For example, if we sell concert tickets, we have a liability until we actually perform the concert. If we sell magazine subscriptions for magazines we publish, we have a liability until we deliver those issues of that magazine. We also have the current portion of long-term debt, which is the amount of principal we owe on long-term debt over the next year. Next, we have examples of equity accounts. First, we have common stock. Common stock is the owner's investment in the corporation. Every publicly held company will have common stock. Retained earnings is another equity account. Retained earnings is the cumulative net income earned by a corporation over its lifetime minus its cumulative net losses and dividends. Dividends are another equity account. Dividends are distributions to stockholders after the board of directors declares the dividend. Dividends are optional. A corporation is never required to declare a dividend. Also, dividends are never part of net income. Now let's talk a little bit more about retained earnings now. Retained earnings is increased by revenues which result from providing goods or services to customers. Retained earnings is decreased by expenses, which are the costs of operating the business. That's it. We are done. This video was created and narrated by Dr. Wendy Tietz and is part of the Accounting Skill Builder video series. See accountingisanalytics.com for additional faculty and student resources.